Hey guys, it is me, Inspired Gentleman, and today is a little bit more serious, and I know it's very different from a lot of my other videos, but I do need to be honest with you guys. Sorry, this is a new shirt I made, but I really have to get down to business with this because it's pretty serious. I know I just uploaded a video, and I know I haven't been as consistent as I wanted to be on this channel, but it's been very hard for me because of coronavirus. I've been working very hard because I work in a medical office. Something also happened where I had to take a moment to really breathe. So on July 7th, 2020, my father passed away in an accident from a hit and run. And I want to say so much more, but at the same time, it's not best to say that right now just because the police report isn't finished, and also I don't want to put my family out there because a lot of report places have already done that, where they kind of have said the news without our consent, the immediate family, and it's just been hard for us. It's been really hard for us to bear. It's already been 10 days since he's passed, and it's been very hard. Last week, I currently had to go to the East Coast to not only visit my family and grieve with them and mourn, but also I had to be at the viewing, help my family with the burial, and then watch him at the funeral burial, which is still unbelievably hard, and just I'm still in denial about it because he was such a big, strong person. Like literally, it was like a Hercules that you would never expect to fall, and it was so hard for me. Now, I know I didn't always have the best relationship with my father, but as I grew up more, like in these past 5 to 6 years, we started getting closer and things were getting more better. So that's why I'm more hurt by this than I would initially anticipated. He was my biggest support, not just only on YouTube, but with a lot of things, cosplay, my art, my paintings, my drawings. Like he really encouraged me with that, and also just being myself, because he didn't always agree with everything I did, but he encouraged me to find love, whether, because I am bisexual, so he just wanted me to find love, whether it's woman or male, like with marriage, you know, because he wanted me to get married, he wanted me to have a child. He kept asking me for 2 years, when you have a kid, when are you getting married, when you have a kid? And it did bother me a lot because I felt depressed because I couldn't find anyone. But at the end of the day, I know he wanted me to be happy, and he always wanted me to come back home, and I just wasn't ready yet because I wanted to start off with you guys and get better. And that's literally the honest truth, because sometimes I always felt like I wasn't good enough for YouTube and I wasn't successful enough, and it really hit home when he was gone. And I'm like, oh shoot, I lost one of my biggest friends, you know? And you kind of don't realize that until it's too late. I do write in a journal right now to speak to him because there was a lot of words I wanted to say. And when I found out he passed, I was very angry with myself. Like I was a failure and I wasn't good enough and I didn't do enough. A lot. It's hard for me to look at the lens because on the viewfinder, I hate to say it, I do look like my dad, and I don't like that sometimes because I miss him so much, and he would say that a lot. And it's hard. It really is. When you lose someone so huge in your life, it's like you miss a big chunk, like a big continent in your heart is just gone. I hope I can motivate you and make you feel like you matter the way my dad did to me. He made me feel like it was okay for me to be myself, and God, I wish I could do that for someone else. Sorry, it takes me a minute. Now, I do have 2 other channels that I work on. One of them is a Hanfu channel, and the other one talks about Korean entertainment news and K-pop news, but I'm letting these messages also on those channels to let people know I'm not okay. I need a moment. I am going to post more videos, but it's going to be in a certain time frame because everything is still fresh. My dad's birthday is still this month, which is it's not a great reminder. Because we always spend our birthdays together because mine is in August and his is in July. Because his birthday is next week, next Saturday. The day before my godson's birthday. I just wanted to let you guys know that if my consistency is off, you know why. I'm going to do my best because I do have videos on my computer and it takes a while. Oh, let me show you something if you guys, just so you know why also my consistency is messed up. So both of my laptops are cracked, and since coronavirus, I haven't got it fixed because things are now starting to open. And now that I have to save up to move to the East Coast, this is not as much a priority as I wanted it to be. But I do want to let you guys know thank you for watching my videos. I think the best thing you could do is just really, if you can share the word of my cosplay videos, thumbs it up if you like it, and share it to someone who does like it. That actually helps me out more than you know. You just being there and saying this is really cool, or even just commenting, that changes my life, believe it or not. It makes me feel like what my dad wanted for me is possible. And I thank you so much for watching. I do have to go because it's Friday night and I'm by myself. I need to keep myself busy so I don't feel so alone. But I'll talk to you later. Bye.